Let's review yesterday's topics. Okay. What is the string? Yeah. Yeah. Collection of any characters within the single quote, double quote, or triple quotes. Right. And it supports concatenation. It supports repetition. It supports indexing, positive indexing and negative indexing, and it supports slicing. Right. And it is immutable and it is iterable. Right. Let me bring that here. So till now we have learned about string. These are all things, right? Any doubts here? Immutable and immutable I have explained yesterday. Immutable meaning we cannot modify, right? Iterable meaning we can loop this data type over in the for loop, right? So character by character it will come and we can process those characters here, right? How to split this string? How to split? Output equal to str1 dot. What is the output we'll get here? Is this correct? Split syntax. See how it is splitting. How it is splitting. In what based it is splitting. Right. By default, it is splitting. It is splitting on space. Right. Right. Normally, if you want to split on particular character, now what is the output? If we split with a, I, I space, right? Because space also on character, right? And M space, right? In B till here B, clear? And NG after a LORE, clear? What is this data type? Yeah, split output is always list. Now let's take this INP equal to. How to join this? We have join method, right? How to join this? Syntax join with Okay, dot, right? Join here, here, A and B, right? How to write this? Out equal to, if we do join with nothing, dot join of A and B. See, we are joining with nothing, right? Now, if you join with space, clear? So, likewise, we can join with any character. We can join with any character. Clear? Any doubts here? So, you need to practice these all methods, then only you can remember. Okay. So, what is the list? Yeah. List is collection of multiple objects or multiple values of any type within a square braces. Okay. And list supports concatenation, it supports repetition, and it allows duplicates, and it has order, and it supports indexing positive and negative, and list is mutable, right? Possible to update object in place. In place meaning original list will affect, right? If we see here, original string is not affecting. We are storing that output in another variable and we are using that here in string, right? That is why strings are immutable. We cannot modify. We cannot modify in place, right? But here we can modify, right? These are all the list methods. Yesterday we have completed append, insert, and extend also. Today we'll see remove. So remove is used to remove object from list. It is used to remove remove one object from list. Okay. Syntax is list dot remove of object. Directly value we need to pass here. Okay. So let me take one yesterday's example list. Okay. This is a list we're having. If you want to remove Germany from this list, right? Print data. Okay. How to remove? Data dot remove of Germany. Print data. See now, clearly we're able to observe, right? Germany gone here. Germany gone here, right? So remove is used to remove one object, one value from list, right? Now let's take this. I am inserting one more Germany. Okay, here print. Now we'll see. See, if you see here, this is the original list. Okay, from here it is removed first occurrence. So remove method will remove always first occurrence from the list, right? If there are multiple objects, removes first occurrence. Now I am trying to remove ABC, right? This value or this object is not exist here. If object is not exist, it will give you an error. Yeah. List remove X not exist, not in the list. Clear? If object not exist, error. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer. Yeah. Now tell me what is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Now what is the output? It removes both because we are removing two times, right? Now, now we will get an error because the third time Germany is not exist in the list. Clear? Now, next method is pop. So, pop is used for remove object by but based on index, right? It is used to remove object but using index. Syntax is list dot pop index of this list, whichever I want to remove index. And here I can say index can be positive and negative. We can use positive index and negative index. If index does not exist, same rule. Okay. If does not exist, error. Yeah. Now data dot pop. If you want to remove Germany, if you want to remove Germany from this list. So what is the index of Germany here? 2. See, Germany gone. But we have used index. By using index, we removed it. Right? So now tell me what is the output here? No, no. That's why I told you to read line by line. Okay? Read line by line. See, first, what we are removing. This is little bit small, like analytical question. Okay? Just think this is the original list you are having. Okay? We removed this Germany using second index. Okay? Here Germany gone. What is the output here? See, that is why it is mutable, right? So in place it is happening. In place, in original list only, everything is happening, right? Now if you see here, what is the third index? 0, 1, 2, 3. So now true will be removed, right? Not Japan. Clear? Now see, true gone. Clear? Now tell me, what is the output here? It, yeah, that index is not exist, right? So pop index out of range. Clear? Now, if you want to know which object we have removed, if you want to know which object we have removed, okay, by storing that in the variable, you will get to know which object we have removed. Here, object. Here, actually, which object we have removed here? In this case, hmm? Here now we do not have this in this place, okay? In this place, we do not have. See. Now, now tell me what is the output here? What is the output here and what is the output here? First one. Okay, 3. Clear? Here it is telling you this object has been removed, right? If you want to know here also, object 1, here print object 1. See, at first time we have removed Germany by using Germany's index. Second time we have removed true using true's index, right? Clear? Normally, why we need to do why this is required is here it is actually meaningful. They developed for this. Sometimes if we are working with large data, right? Let me take one example. See, now you have this list. Okay, data dot pop. 19. So now here this is very small one. You are telling, if we mention 2, you are telling Germany has removed. But here tell me 19. So in this case, just simply we can go for this, right? We will get to know what is removed. Print object. 19th index we are removing from this data, right? What is the 19th object here? 5, somewhere here. Clear, right? We can remove by default. Yeah, yeah. I forgot to tell you. Again, let's see here. Let's check here. As of now, what is the last object here? Now we will see 456, right? By default, if you will not pass any index here, right? By default, it will remove last index value. Clear? Yeah. That is also possible. Thanks, Tika. Now we'll see count. So count is used for to get count of specific object. Have you remember count in the list? Used to get count of particular object, right? Particular object. Now let's take one list here, okay? And for count, syntax is list dot count of object name. So same thing we tried for strings also. You remember that, right? Yeah. Now see, we are counting on something, meaning we need to store that in some variable, right? So yeah, here data dot count of UK. So how many UKs are there here? One, two, three. Three, right? Now tell me, India, what is the output? And okay, now tell me, US 0. See, don't think it will give you an error, okay? Because we are checking count. If objects are exist, it will give you an count. Otherwise, it will be 0. 0 count, right? Now tell me what is the output here for this. Any other answers? Uh, yeah. Yep. You can count number of times. Okay. That is not limited. You can count. You can use count method number of times. Okay. And here I'm searching for India. Capital letter here. First letter is capital India. So we do not have that here. See, 0. Clear? Now tell me. So, hmm? It will give. Hmm? What we are doing here normally? What is this? Yeah, I am accessing value using index here, right? What is the data of 5 here? UK. So 3 UKs are there. Clear? So likewise also we can check. In real time scenarios, we need to use like this only. Not we will not use this direct ways. Okay. So now tell me what is the output? 0. Hmm? Yeah, that is why step by step you need to check. First, see data dot count of here. First, it will check this inside process, right? So data of 20 exist or not here. Normally, index this we are accessing value by using index, right? List index out of range. This is indexing property. Okay. If you go to count, right, it will work. It will not give you any error. But if you see here index, this 20 index is not available. 20th index value, right? So now tell me what is the output. What I am doing here operation and what I am doing here first. Yeah, I am here. What I am doing, I am updating list. I am updating data list. So I am inserting 20 at 20th place. Now tell me what is the output. Hmm? It will give 1. It will give 1. See, as per rule, see, think of this. As per rule, data of 20, where it will insert at 7th position, right? If it is exist, right, it will update. If it is exist, it will update. It will replace. If it is not exist, it will add automatically at end. Again, 20 is available or not? 20 is still not available, right? 7, 7, 1. See, if you see here only data of 20. Here itself it is not possible, right? Here it is not possible. Now data of 2 equal to 20. Yeah, this is possible here. Hmm? Still, still we are getting error here. See, that is why you need to practice in more ways. See, here we received output, right? So here 20, where it is inserted, Germany gone here, right? Germany gone, right? Still we have 6 indexes only. So, but we are trying to access 7th index, right? Now, now it will give you an 1, right? Here, replacing here. If it is exist, it will replace here. It will update, right? Clear? Index should be exist. Otherwise, we cannot add, right? If you give 20 here, it will clearly tell you data of 20. Index error. Clear, right? Yeah, it will not extend. By using indexing, like if you insert, right, it will work. If you use insert, right, it will work. But directly we are trying to update value. We are updating value here. Data of 2 equal to 20. Data of 2 here is 20, Germany. We are updating Germany with 20. Right? Yes. If you see here, clear, right? That indexing. Now we'll see reverse. Yeah, reverse and update. We'll see. Reverse. So reverse is used for reverse the list. So exactly it will like first to last and last to first. Yes. So it will reverse the list. What is the syntax? List dot reverse. You don't need to pass any update because we are passing here list dot reverse. That's it. Okay. Now let's take list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now n dot reverse print end. Clear? Clearly it is reversed. Right? And we have other ways also. See, you know about slicing, right? So by using slicing also, we can reverse it, right? How can we do n off? Now tell me first, what is the output of this? What is the output of this? It will print whole the list. Already here we have reversed, right? So it is printing reverse list. Okay. Now colon is for we use for slicing purpose, right? Slicing. Here I am applying slicing. For example, if I give 2 to 5, right? Start. This is start position, start index. This is end position. If we give 2 to 5, it will give 2. This is second, right? 0, 1, 2, right? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. If I give here 15 also, still it is working. So it will not give you any error, right? If you give like this also, it will give you total. Clear? Now we discussed about step also, right? If I give one here, right? What is the output if I give one here? Hmm? Still same because it will step by one by one only, right? Still same, right? If we give two, if we give two, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, right? Now I told you slicing and indexing supports negative indexing also, right? If I will put here -1, right? Step by -1, right? So what is the like -1 value here? 1, right? Here from this is the list we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? What is the -1 value here? 1. Step by -1 meaning -1, -1, -1, -2, right? Again -2, -1, -3, -3, -1, -4, right? Now see this. Clear? By using this also possible. We can reverse list. Either we can use reverse method or we can use this. Clear, right? Now, what is the last one? Yeah. Copy clear we'll see last. Update is there, right? Hmm? Yeah. Do we have update method directly? No, just I am thinking this update method is there, right? Is there or not, first of all? We don't have update method. Are you sure? Indexing, okay. Okay, let's see. By using indexing, we have updated, but I don't think it is available. Okay, let's see after completing all data types, this copy and clear. Okay, because you know that copy is having different properties, right? Deep copy, shallow copy. We'll see at last this copy and clear, right? Any doubts till now? Strings and lists. because next one will be very important, dictionaries. Dict. Okay. So what is dict? Dict is sequence of key value pairs. Yeah. Dict is sequence of key and value pairs within the lower braces, right? And the syntax is key 1, value 1, comma, key 2, value 2, like this. Okay. And dictionary is very important. Okay. Here some rules. Key should be unique. This key should be unique. And if duplicate, if if you will get duplicate, right, it will take latest value. Let me take one example here, right? For example, we have list here. Okay, Ramesh, Kiran, Vijay. So just I am telling you, this is the key for this one address. Ramesh is key, and this is the Ramesh address. Okay, this is key. Kiran is key here. This is Kiran's address. Vijay's address here. So how can we write this? By using dict. Okay, data underscore dict equal to, now within square brackets, within curly braces now, and this is address, right, comma, Kiran address is this one. Okay, let's print this. Print. See, clearly as it is printed, right? Clearly as it is printed. Now let's see one more Ramesh here. One more Ramesh and ABCX. Now let me execute again. See what it is taken. It is taken Ramesh. Are we printing this? Okay. Ramesh division should take later one AD ABCX. Yeah, it is taking later one. Yeah, correct. See, it is taking later value. Clear? If already exists, it will take later value. But key should be unique. Okay, key should be unique. If duplicate, we'll get the value of later one. Clear? And value can be anything. Value can be anything. Meaning values may be duplicates also. You see here. Now see, this is key. Okay, this is value. Key should be unique. Value can be anything. Here, that is why I wanted to show here. For Kiran and Ramesh, I am providing same values. See, first one is No, you want to do new. Okay. Yeah, I will create that. But as of now, see here. See, both of them address is showing same, right? So duplicates. See, duplicates allowed. Value can be anything, but key must be unique. If you will get same key, right, it will take later value. That is the rule we need to remember. And yeah, yeah, yeah. Key must be unique. That is first thing you need to remember. If you will provide same key, right, so it will take later one value. Here first Ramesh value address is address 123, but next also we are providing same key here, and address we are changing, right, here. This is the value. So this is also taking latest value, not this. This is gone. Clear? And value can be anything. It allows duplicates. If you see here, Kiran address is ABCX and Ramesh address also I gave ABCX. If you see here in the output, same. Clear? So here one more rule is key should be only immutables. Key should be only immutables. Key should be only immutable. See, as of now, what all are there immutable data types? Integer, right? Float also immutable. Then string also immutable. Okay. The next uh, tuple is there. Tuple also immutable, and I can say bool also immutable. Okay, right? So key should be only immutable values, not mutable values. Key should not be list here. Okay, clear? Now let's take one. Hmm? See, key should be only immutable objects. So here, as of now, we learnt integer is immutable. Okay, immutable meaning we cannot change, we cannot modify, right? Float also immutable, and string also immutable, and list is mutable, right? We can change. So list should not be as key. Clear? Let me take one example here. See here, temp I gave. This is the list. So just I'm converting this to one dictionary. 2 India, 5 UK, 8 Germany. Okay. Just I am printing here. This is the output. Let me do it here. Okay. Now here what we have is immutables. We used as key immutables. See, this is integer right here. Okay. Let me take another example. Again, here also, see, now tell me what is the output here for this one. Read this carefully and tell me what is the output. Okay? Yeah. Others, are you able to understand this? See, here also there, here also there. So it will take later one to USA. See, to USA, not to India. Right? Clear? And here we have it integers, all integers as keys. So it is valid. Right? Now one more example. Now here see, now tell me what is the output here. Rn1 Ramesh, Rn4 Kiran, Rn8 Vijay, 2.5 10 true AB. So if we observe here, this is string, right? Rn1 is string, Rn4 is string, right? Rn8 is string. 2.5 is what here? Which data type? Float. True is Boolean data type. So this is also valid because as per rule, keys must be keys must be immutable, right? Clear? Let's take same thing. Here I am giving mutable, okay? One. So what it is? One. It is a list. See, unhashable type list. So it will give you an error. So you should use only immutable objects as key. Yeah, tuple will use after afterwards. Yeah, tuple we can use. See, no, no, not only list. Okay. If you see here, what are the data types available? All integer, float, string, dictionary. Okay, dictionary, tuple, set, tuple, set. Uh, okay, complex is not required actually. That is like, no need to discuss. Okay, no one will ask. That is also a data type. Okay, but in real time, no one will ask you about that. Okay, yeah, set also there. So set. These two are mutables. Dict also mutable. Here again, we can say values. Mutable meaning mainly we can update, right? Whatever we can update, those are all mutable. So dict also we can update. So these three are mutables. These are all immutables. Integer, float, string, and tuple and bool. Clear till now? Because dict is very important. We need to understand now. Now let me take this dict. Now, if you want to get specific value, right? by using we can pass key and we can get the value. Here RN8 I am passing. Print. So now output will be Vijay. So pass key, get value. We can pass key, get the value of that key. Clear? The syntax. How to get specific value from Dict? Okay. That time you need to tell this answer. Pass key, get value. Right? How to access data from Dict? How to access data from Dict? Then pass key, get the value. How to access data from Dict and how to get specific value from the Dict. That is also we can tell this, right? Data of key. Here print data of 25. What is the output for this? India. Clear? What is the output of this data of 0? Error. Because here data is a dictionary. What we are doing here, we are trying to access 0th key value. 0th is the key name here. But we do not have 0 key here in the data. Right? Clear, right? Now, how to update Dict? Normally, how to update list? How to update list? L of index equal to 10, right? Print L. Now, what is the output we will get here? 1, 2, 10, 4. We are updating here, right? Same. What is the output for if I try to update 10 equal to 10? We will get an index error. Index out of range, right? Same likewise, here also we can apply. Print. Let me do this. Okay. How to update Dict? For example, we have this Dict. Now, data of 25 equal to 1000. Print data. Okay. Before update also, let's print clear. Now see clearly 25 value updated with 1000. Clear? Any doubt here? Now Rn4. What is the output now? In place of Kiran, we'll get 1000. Okay. Now, next see Rn5. Yeah, yeah. If it is exist, okay, if this key is exist, it will update value. Okay. If key is exist, it will update value. If key does not exist, it will insert key pair. Key value pair, it will insert into dictionary. Clear? Rn5 here inserted. Clear? See, if exists, it will update. Update value, right? Not, it will insert. It will, yeah, it will insert or, yeah, it will insert key value pair at last. Okay. Clear, right? This rule. Now tell me, let me take this data of 25 equal to 1000, data of Rn1 equal to Ajay. Okay. Data of 24 equal to 50. What is the output now for this print data? Hmm? Okay. 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 Yeah. What is the final output? Rn1 Ajay, and it will change this to 50. Clear? First, what we are doing here, we are updating 25th key value to 1000. Okay. India to 1000. It is happened. Next in next line we are doing Rn1, we are updating to Ramesh to Ajay. Again what we are doing 25, we are updating with 50. So it is here overwritten. Okay. Overwrites here this value. Clear? Hmm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Later one. Latest one. Later one. It is taking later one only. If you see here, it is taking later one. 50 only. It is not taking 1000. Yeah. Clear, right? Now we'll see in list and strings, concatenation is supporting, right? Concatenation and repetition. But here, yeah, but here if you will see x equal to 11, 22. Okay, I'm taking one dictionary, y equal to 55, 66. Now out equal to x plus y. So this is not possible here actually. So concatenation and repetition also not possible. Here repetition 8 times. See, repetition also not possible. Clear? Till here clear, right? I think we can stop today.